now that it's coming again to the south, and since it is only the three geopolitical zones that made up the south, that it should come to southeast. Having been in southwest and the south side, it should now come to southeast. So in a situation where equity really should be the issue, we don't need to struggle for it. We don't need to struggle for it. But here again, you see how it has gone. We'll continue to hope that one day God will touch the heart of our brothers and sisters out there to do that which belongs to them.
So Dr. Fulani, when he made his speech, he left at Magba highlighted with a question: where is the justice? He talked about the big question for the southeast region, who he feels that region feels hard done by with what has played out or what is playing out now. What do you think about it?
Well, we all listened to him. He made a very brilliant speech. We take them home. Sometimes in this business of politics, expectations may not be what you think. You know, things you expect may not be what you get. But it's also left for you to continue to try and do your best as a human being and leave the rest for God.
Where do you think it went wrong for the region in terms of their quests to get the ticket?
Well, you see, the issue of zoning has been at the public domain. It's a national discourse, really. The issue of zoning, that power has come to the south, went to southwest, and the next time it came to the south, it went to south-south. And if zoning and equity is anything to go by, that naturally this time around it should go to southeast. But you see, sometimes this business of power, you don't just rely on moral criteria and saying justice. You know, some other things are involved because no one zone can produce a president in Nigeria. You must take the collaboration and cooperation of other zones. The southern Nigeria alone cannot produce a president without northern Nigeria.
Yeah, but people have said that they haven't played their part, that they seem to even put their personal interests way beyond any such thing as their regional interests.
What people say most times may not be what will give you power. What gives you power? If you decide to get power, you work for it. Nowhere in the world power is given to anybody just as a lunch or a breakfast. We know we deserve to produce a president in Nigeria. We know we have capable, competent hands that can rule Nigeria from south.
But did the Southeast leaders work for it?
Well, you see, it is a relative thing.
Oh.
I may feel I have worked, but maybe I have not worked enough.
Do you think you worked?
I've worked. But no matter what you do as a human being, until God says it's your time, that's the only time you have the power. So we will struggle as human beings. We'll do within the capacity of what a human being can do. But I can tell you, it is God. I believe in faith. I'm a child of faith. I believe that it is only when God has decided to give you power.
How do you know when He's decided?
Just like in 2003, I had a gubernatorial outing. I didn't win. In 2007, I tried, I didn't get it. In 2019 was the time God said, "Hey, my son, come on."
Was that God?
Yes.
You know, sir, I'm just a little curious. It's like from the answers that you're given, it does look like you do not have any faith that the Southeastern candidates can make it through at those primaries.
No, that is not correct. After all, in any event, we have faith. But faith are things you don't see, yet you believe.
Mm-hmm. So you
understand?
Indeed, there are things you don't see, yet you believe. Do you believe
that
a Southeastern candidate can still pull through in these primaries? Given that what we have seen go down on the ground, go down on the grounds here, and what the papers are saying, just this morning I was asking how one of the dailies, reached his conclusion that the national leader looked set to be clinching this. They're already making their predictions. It doesn't look like the Southeast is in contention here, or any Southeastern candidate is.
Now, I think that from the point of view of political calculation, the sentiments of people of Southeast is that really they deserve to produce a president. Because the reason why this power is moving from the north to the south is because the north, the current president is from the north, having served 8 years. Now the popular view is that somebody from the southern part of the country should be a president. And the reason why Southeast also is asking for it is because he came to the south and went to southwest and was there for 8 years. And the next time he came to the south, he went to south-south. And it was there for almost barely 7 years plus. Now, the natural thing to do, and the justice of the case, is that now that he's coming again to the south, and since it is only the 3 geopolitical zones that made up the south, that he should come to southeast. Having been in southwest and the south-south, it should now come to southeast. So in a situation where equity really should be the issue, we don't need to struggle for it. We don't need to struggle for it. But here again, you see how it has gone. We'll continue to hope that one day God will touch the heart of our brothers and sisters out there to do that which belongs to us.
So what does this mean now? Does it mean the region has to wait for what, 8 or 16 years?
That is the thing we have to. This is something that will be discussed at the party level, because it's a serious matter that needs to be addressed. Because we are dealing with human beings here. It is not just you wake up and take any decision. There are consequences of every action. So those are the things that will be discussed, and something must be done. And maybe bring in a balancing kind of act that will assuage the feelings of the people for the interest of our party. Most of our people here who came from the southeast, of course, when they saw it was going to be difficult to get clinching to the ticket, they opted for a northern candidate. The reason is very simple, because the northern candidate will stay for 8 years, and then the power will come back to the south. This time around, maybe we'll have the opportunity. The power coming back to the south will be another 8 years, and the next time you have the power, it will go to the north for another 8 years. So 16 clear years of wait for Southeasterners. It's something that must be given some serious attention.